Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to make this vlog into English. I have not I am not good at English, but I will try, and I will try my best to speak in English throughout the whole vlog. So in today's video uh, I have my partner whose name is Xavier. Come here. Where he is. Uh, So Xavier, tell me, you are ready for this challenge?
Yes, I am ready.
What are you?
I am perfectly ready.
Perfectly ready. So he is in English medium school. So let's see if he can speak in English or not. Let's start the vlog, and we are going to speak in English throughout the vlog. Okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Now you can speak
But
to the viewer, to the viewers.
what should I say?
Guys, he didn't know how to speak and what to speak. That's the big conflict of him. So let's go out for the prayer, and we will take our friend Sefi, and then we will go to
To buy the ice cream.
we'll go to buy ice cream. Buy an ice cream.
Buy
So guys, I am good at English. You know that you can understand that I am good at English, but he's not. So we are going to the shop and buy an ice cream for ourselves. So let's go. We are outside of our home, and look at the weather. The weather is super califragilistic So that's amazing weather. What's your thoughts on weather?
Yes. I thought the weather is very
Look at the camera and then speak.
weather is very good.
Is very good. Bus. Sorry. I talk in Urdu.
Weather is
That's it. Weather is good. So guys, we are going to take Sefi from his home, and then we will go to shop for an ice cream, and then we will go to a masjid for prayer. Okay, so let's go take Sefi from his home. The weather is cool. The chances of rain is 95%. So hope there is no rain, because tomorrow we have a big match in stadium. So we are going to play the game tomorrow morning.
tomorrow in morning.
Tomorrow in morning. Okay. No, I hope there is no rain uh, tomorrow. Guys, we have our friend Sefi, and Sefi, you have to speak English throughout the vlog. Okay.
No problem.
So introduce yourself in English.
Guys, my name is Safullah.
Okay
I
then.
am the friend of Yusuf.
I am the
And
friend
we
of Yusuf then.
Now we are making vlog.
Vlog. This is not your introduction.
Bas,
Okay guys, so we are going to buy
And
an ice cream. Okay? We are going to shop and buy ice cream. You don't know, I will tell you that we are going to buy an ice cream for ourselves, and then we eat it, and then if the अजानों को क्या बोलते हैं? अजानों को if the azan guys, the word of azan is not coming into my mind. So then we are going to the masjid for prayer. Okay, and then we will see what we are going to do. Speak something.
I am speaking. You speak.
What are you speaking?
We are going to.
In Ahmedabad there is a huge development in our on the road.
On the road, yes.
There is lights throughout the road.
Yes.
From Murray Road to
Murray Road to
Navashehar, Jogni.
Nawashehar
Stadium.
side.
Navashehar
Stadium.
So here is. These are the lights. This.
After these lights, our city beauty is
These lights are called street
Improved.
lights.
Improved.
yeah.
Our Ahmedabad is more beautiful looking more beautiful with these lights. If we go to the mountain uh, where we go to on previous vlogs, then from there the view of this place is will be so beautiful. Guys, we are so good at English. We are in shop. Oh, we are buying an ice cream. Which ice cream? Kulfi.
How much is it?
See, let's rush na. Oh, put it down. Close it. Let's go. Let's go. What are happening with you, Sefi? What
This,
did you done with this kulfi?
the wood of
Safi, luck is not.
what the wood of kulfi is
Your luck is not good.
The word of kulfi is
in the curve shape. Look. See, this is too cool.
the kulfi are melting so quickly.
It's mean today weather is hot.
Not hard. Look at the weather. It's super cool.
It's cookie and fat.
Tell me, Zevi, how's the kulfi?
Cookies. Cookies is too good.
Too good.
I told you, whenever you talk, then you have to look on the camera.
The kulfi is very good and very.
And very sweet.
Kulfi is good in eating, but
My
it's
kulfi
melt and we can't enjoy
my
for
Mm.
long
my
time.
kulfi is good.
And
What's-
the price of kulfi is also too high.
What's
to-
what's the flavor of kulfi?
I think it's vanilla. I think so.
Tumit, I will slap you on your mouth
Why?
because it's not so vanilla.
Which-
It's almond milk
Okay.
Milk.
and a little bit of coconut.
It's mean I have no idea about this.
Take me to that office at the top of.
No, because it's not the time to go there.
Why?
That's haunted place.
No. It is open.
It's open, but there is no one.
Yes. No.
It's haunted at night.
Not haunted.
Yes, it is. He is talking about this building. On the fourth floor, he is talking that we have to go on the fourth floor of building. But
What?
but it's not good at this time to go there because we didn't know what is there. There can be paranormal things. Okay, then.
Things we can't see. Yeah.
Oh wow, the things we can't see.
At night they are open.
Open for what?
Opened for mean they are independent
Independent.
at night.
Independent at night. What English? What are you saying? Tell me. Tell me.
What you are doing? The light is disturbing me
Oh, it's disturbing you. Why?
because these are not good for my eyes.
What will happen if the flashlight falls directly
My-
into your eyes?
My eyesight will go on weak.
Will go on weak.
Yes.
Oh,
You
Your
don't
eyesight
know.
will weak because of this.
Yes.
Then why are you opening your buttons?
Because
The weather is
The
cool,
weather
but
is
we
cool.
feel
but we feel
hot.
hot.
In Europe, there is 40 degrees centigrade temperature, and they buy ACs and swimming in the rivers like crazy people. But in Pakistan, we have seen 50 degrees centigrade temperature, but our Pakistani, have the addiction of tea. They drink tea
Tea,
at
yeah.
50 degrees centigrade temperature, and the European who are not surviving in the 45 degree centigrade temperature.
We
That's
are
the big
Pakistani.
difference. That's the big difference.
Pakistani people are
Pakistani peoples are very strong.
brave and strong.
No, yeah, brave not. They are strong.
They are, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Nisha.
You-
Guys, me.
yeah.
See what he is talking about. So, time is for prayer.
Yeah.
You guys listen to the azan, and we also listen to the azan. Or for azan, we have to shut the camera because we have to, as a Muslim, we have to listen
Listen the
azan
azan, yeah.
silently. Okay, so after azan, I am going to.
A few moments later.
Guys, come here. Now we are going to do the challenge. Who can do the more pull-ups? Okay, first.
No, more plus. Who will?
Okay, who will hang on this for more time? Okay, first you have to hang with this.
You should start.
So your timer is start.
It's too easy for me.
No, it's not easy. It's easy for you, but if I do this, and you will have to do more.
How much time?
I don't know, but I will do it in editing. You have such a strong arms.
Nah.
How are you? How are you feeling?
I am fine. But
What are you feeling today? Guys, look at his face. It's red. Guys, that's the oh, bus.
look to my hands. My hands not working properly
Working properly. Why?
because
That's
these are
this
stuck
is very easy challenge, but you didn't do it.
Oh, I do.
Now it's my turn.
Okay.
So guys, the thing is not according to my height. I will do it because Xavier did it very good. Then I will have to do it more good than Zedi. Okay, let's do it. Okay. I make it difficult for myself.
Yes, of course, because your height is too long.
It's so difficult, guys.
Yes, I knew. But you are doing. Oh, you lose.
I lose. I
look,
lose. I know. I
look
lose.
this. Look this.
Yeah, look at this.
Look at this. Look.
A few moments later.
Where are we going?
We are going to
Masjid. And guys, I'm going to show you the moon, which are looking very beautiful with our eyes, but in camera it's not that good.
moon is like
This is the moon.
sun.
The color of the moon is orange. Our masjid, and now we have to perform our prayer.
A few moments later.
So guys, we perform our prayer, and now we are going back to our homes. And I am tired of this challenge because I can't speak English anymore. I love Urdu, I love Pashto, and I love Hindko also. But English, such no, not difficult. But speak in English, I don't like. I like to speak in Urdu, pure Urdu. What are you saying about it?
Yes, but in next generation, English is very must.
No. In this generation, in Gen Z, there is small kids who can speak English perfectly
Yeah.
and fluently,
Yes, of course. You
and
said
we are not that good at English.
we
So
have not good vocabulary.
so you have to end this vlog in English, okay?
Okay.
I will tell you what you have to speak and then you will end it, okay? So guys, ये व्लॉग इधर ही एंड करते हैं, मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में, मुझे दीजिएगा इजाज़त, अल्लाह हाफिज़. So you have to end this vlog. What I told you in Urdu, you have to translate in English, and you have to end this vlog. So start.
So guys, we want to close this video.
Close this
and
video.
End this video and subscribe our channel,
Hmm.
like video, and comment how our challenge is going on.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
How our challenge is.
इनको बताओ, हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना आपको और कौन सी चैलेंज चाहिए इंग्लिश में. Guys, I am gonna end this. Tell us in the comment section what more challenges you want in upcoming vlogs. So we are going to end this vlog here. Hope you guys like it. You have to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon, like, share, and subscribe. Must.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Done कर दो.
Done.
हाँ.